In this video, I'll show you how you can earn crypto by playing simple games on Limercoin.com, a platform where you mine coins like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Limer by having fun. Limercoin lets you mine cryptocurrency by playing games without needing any special software or skills. You can also boost your earnings with their referral program and by completing daily tasks. First, go to Limercoin.com. Create a free account. Once you're in, you'll find fun games to play. And by playing, you earn mining power to mine different cryptos. To play, click the Games tab and pick from games like puzzles or quick challenges. Complete daily tasks to earn extra rewards. Just log in every day, play games, and collect bonuses. Invite friends using your referral link and earn up to 50% of their earnings. Don't forget to check out special offers in the store for even bigger mining boosts. Once you've mined enough crypto, you can withdraw your earnings by clicking on the Wallet button. The minimum withdrawal is low, so you can cash out quickly in Bitcoin, Dogecoin, or Litecoin. That's how you mine crypto with Limercoin by just playing games. Links to join are in the description below. Thanks for watching.